Hello. This is a Dodge Charger 2007. Crank won't start. I bought it like a week ago already. Yeah, if you tell me how much I pay for this card, exactly. The first one, they send me the message. I will give you $100. So 2007 Dodge Charger. I bought it here in San Antonio, Texas. The owner told me that he took it to the mechanic, and the mechanic said it's a timing change. He need timing change. Let's see. The crank won't start. So the first thing you want to do is check it out. I crank it already. I want to crank it one more time. You want to know if the fuel pump is bad or not. You put just a little bit starting fluid right here. Do it like this. Spray it here a little bit. Over here, go straight up. That's good. That's enough. You don't need to put that much. You can make an explosion too. Get fire. It happened to me a couple of times. So let's crank it. Nothing. So when later on, I'm planning to do it later on. I want to show you. So I mean, it don't sound bad. So if it is the crank chance sensor, this car it will run again. Let me put this one here. Kitty, vámonos. Let's go, chico. Hey, vámonos. That's it. So anything can happen in Christmas time. Yeah, I got a flat tire now in my car over there. Hyundai Ascent. So using this is the first time I got it here for maybe like 2-3 years. It's air compressor. Yeah, the one that you installed in the car. Lighter right there. This is a little compressor. We don't build pressure at all. I had it already here for like 10 minutes. So I mean it's not good for nothing. So when you got something like this, first thing you can do is get it out and dump it. Yeah, I'm gonna dump it. I'm gonna put it here where I got a lot of metals. So later on I'm gonna do the video, and I'm gonna put another crankshaft sensor. I pick it up in you pull it in San Antonio, Texas. A car that went through accident, so I mean the car that went through accident, everything was working in the car. So I want to put it in the Dodge Charger later on. I want to make a video, and if I use the crank sensor, it will the motor will run again and clean it up very good. And I got the tail light. I need a tire. Put everything really good and clean it up and sell it. God bless you all. This is Leo from San Antonio, Texas, USA. Bye.